I'm Rie. Welcome back to Make It Fancy. Let's see what I'm making fancy today.
Hi Rie, it's Jana, and I am challenging you to make Jollibee fancy. Jollibee was the first Filipino fast food restaurant that I've ever been to, and they're killing it. I especially love the Chickenjoy. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and good luck, Rie.
Jollibee! I love Jollibee. This is my favorite fast food restaurant. Honestly, I don't think Jollibee needs any improvement, but this is Make It Fancy. Chickenjoy comes with fried chicken, gravy, and white rice. I was invited to a party. My friend brought like hundreds of Jollibee chicken basket, and that was my first time to meet Jollibee. The skin is crispy and chicken is so juicy. It's so good and so tender. Just being Asian, having rice with fried chicken makes sense to me. Chickenjoy is already a perfect meal, so I have to make something very unexpected and surprising. I'm excited to make it fancy. All right, here's what I got. Scallions, chives, celery, king trumpet mushroom, napa cabbage, shallots, ground pork, ginger, and garlic. From the pantry, I got peanut oil, canola oil, olive oil, sesame oil, flour, white vinegar, salt, 5 spice powder, Szechuan chili flakes, Szechuan peppercorn, toasted sesame seeds, xanthan gum, soy sauce, and sake. All right, let's get started. Make it fancy. First ingredients, Chickenjoy. Keep some little surgery. Separate chicken skin, easily comes off. Separate meat from the bone. I like thigh better flavor-wise, but I feel like if you order breast, comes with more food. It's a life hack. Put chicken bones, 1 shallot, 1 stalk celery, and ginger slices, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of water into pressure cooker, 1 pinch of salt. Cook this for 60 minutes. Wait, how does this work? 60 minutes later, my stock is ready. Smells good. And I'm going to strain. Now I want to taste it. Needs much more salt. I made a delicious Jollibee broth, and I'm gonna set it aside and move on to next step. 2 cups of oil, 1 minced shallot, 5 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of Szechuan peppercorn. For those who never had Szechuan peppercorn, it kind of tingles your tongue and lips. It's really fun flavor and sensation. Cook this in low and slow about 15 minutes until the temperature goes 215 degrees and shallot is a little bit crisp up but not too brown. It has been cooking about 15 minutes, and I'm going to use the skin I removed earlier. Chop kind of same size as the shallot. I made a video about bees. So tasty. I went to somebody's backyard and he was making honey. So I know 1 or 2 things about bees.
Jollibee, the mascot, has a girlfriend.
Is she butterfly?
She's not it.
Add this into the oil. Cook another 15 minutes until shallot is crispy and golden. I have Szechuan pepper, 3/4 cup of chili flake, 1.5 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to pour over, mix well. Let it sit at least 30 minutes. I'm going to use all rice came in the Chickenjoy box. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Pulse until like a paste texture. Scrape on the side, and I'm going to add water as needed. Add in the bowl. This looks good, but this still needs more ingredients. I have 120 grams of flour. Add 60 grams of the rice paste I made. 3/4 teaspoons of xanthan gum. And the xanthan gum is kind of additive. It helps hold the shape together. 4 tablespoons of water. 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Mix everything together. And once it started coming together, I'm going to knead by hand. Use a little bit bench flour. Jollibee rice dough is a little bit rough because, even we process in the food processor there, it's like a little bit grain rice. I think it's still pretty good. Taste would be nice because rice is a little sweet, but we will see. So I'm going to knead until the dough is a little bit smoother on the surface. I think this is good, almost like a pasta dough. It is a little bit smooth and bouncy. Put it in a bowl, covered with plastic, and rest for 30 minutes. So I have fried chicken meat. I'm going to mince.
Ray, when do you think Jollibee came out?
1987.
1978.
Put chicken in the bowl, half pound of ground pork, 1 cup of chopped napa cabbage, half cup of king trumpet mushroom, 1/4 cup of chives, 2 tablespoons gravy, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of sesame oil, grate 2 cloves of garlic, grate half teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of sake. Mix everything with using my hand. Just make sure everything combines well. I think filling is ready, but I have more stuff to do. I have the dough I've been resting. Sprinkle some flour on the surface. Roll this out, the 1 long log. I'm going to cut this. I'm cutting them into pieces. Roll it out into circular. You have to do it from the side because the center should be a little bit thicker than the edge because you're folding in. I think dough is actually working pretty good. Cover with plastic while I'm working on other doughs so it doesn't dry out. You want to make about 4 to 5 inches circle. It's not like making cookie. If you rolling at once, the outside is getting a little bit thicker. So you want to make it outside it's thinner than the center. All right, it's time to get fancy. I made dumplings. Let's fry them up. 1 tablespoon of oil. Put this in the pan. Heat up the pan over medium-high heat. Sear the dumpling until it has a nice brown color on the bottom. Cook them in batches because I don't want to crowd the pan. After you get nice brown color on the bottom, add 3 tablespoons of Jollibee broth and cook dumpling about 5 minutes or until inside is completely cooked. All the chicken stock is evaporated. Though it looks a little bit opaque, I think it's ready. Transfer to the tray and I'm going to cook the rest. I made a dumpling filling with Jollibee fried chicken's meat and gravy. I made dumpling wrapper using Jollibee's rice, chili oil using Jollibee's fried chicken crispy skin. And plate, it's nice and crispy. Put chili oil and some sesame seeds, garnish, and we are done. Jollibee dumpling with chili oil. Very fancy. Welcome, Jana, to Make It Fancy.
Thank you! Oh my god, this is like a dream being on here.
So I'm so happy you challenged me and I made dumpling.
Is this real? I mean, not surprised that you would make this fancy, but I did not expect dumplings. Cheers! This is Jollibee? I didn't know Jollibee could be this fancy. Filipinos are a firm believer of the Jollibee supremacy. It's so cool that you were able to take Jollibee and make it into something completely different and new and exciting. It's like a perfect fusion of 2 cultures. Maybe Jollibee can take some notes.
So Jana, did I make Jollibee Chickenjoy fancy?
1000% fancy.
1000%!
By the way, I love this Make It Fancy merch.
Thank you. You can get it shopmakingfancy.com.
Oh,
there's even a website. Okay.
All right, we have one last thing to do.
It's the dance?
Yes. 3, 2, 1. Make it fancy.
I went the other way.
Make it fancy.